Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I started recording video about my backyard. I have already planted grass from seed. As you can see, today I have some manure spread it on the top. It's been already planted from last week, and I was not thinking to make a video because videos take a lot of time. You have to put a lot of efforts, but I wasn't running out of time because there was getting too hot. So I decided to just finish my job, but then it's been 1 week, like almost 8 or 9 days. I didn't see anything like one seed even grow. So I have done a couple other things, so I'm just start recording video. So just in case if you guys are doing first time as I am doing, this is my first time I'm growing a grass from seed, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong or it should take some time. So now let's talk about everything, what I have done and what else we need to know. So basically this is about like 35 foot and 100 feet. So approximately 3,500 square foot. I have bought the better seed from Home Depot. I'm just going to have a little photo on the side so you can see what I'm talking about. And temperature is about like at night time is go to like a 48 or 50. At daytime hottest is go like 74 degree, more or less. So I believe the temperature is one thing, like you need a temperature about 50-60 degree. It's too cold at night maybe. And I'm just have a water. I'm putting water every 4 hours, like for 10 minutes. And I have my lawn wet all the time since the day one. I have so far I didn't see anything yet. So what I did today, I got, because the thing is I'm not worried about to spending money, but I'm worried about the losing time, because if this sheet doesn't come up, I will be lose time, then it's gonna be too hot, it's not gonna grow. So what I did, it is a fescue tall grass. So same grass, but I got a sample without any mixer, and I have a spreadsheet again today. I just that was for like 4,000 square foot. I just used the half because I have already done before. This is my second round. And I also bought starter kit for seed. It's like it's giving some more strength to grow fast. And top of that one, I have already here manure. It's like this steel manure. I bought like 40 bags, so almost 20 bags I have spread it on the top of. Because first time when I have a spread seed, I use my rack, but this time I don't want to use rack because I have already grass seed from 8 days. It gonna start growing. I didn't see maybe, but so today after that I have a lightly water. So I'm gonna do same thing, like water for 10 minutes every 4 hours. So today it's been 8 days, the last time when I have seeded already, but today I done again. It's Sunday and it's Monday today, I'm sorry. Today is Monday 21st February, and we will I will keep recording and see what's going up. So now this is look after 3 days for second time seed, total of 11, because I have 8 day the old one. It started getting up. I'm not sure the old one or the new one is now mixed. And this one is about like 5th day after I have a second round, total of 13 days. And this one almost 14 or 15 days. I have already 2 weeks. And now I can see every week I was making video on every week Sunday, so it's going better than better, and it's growing fast now. I can see, but I have to put water 4 times a day. Sometimes I have to do 6 times a day, and temperature is getting like 78 to 50 at night. There can be many reasons grass growing so fast. Maybe the temperature, maybe the manure I put on top, it give a little bit more heat, or anything else, might be the seed I have put a second time or a first time. But so far my result is really good. I have a good grass right now. It's growing better and better right now. Whatever the final picture is 1.5 months, and I have a mowed 2 times already. So hopefully it will give you some idea. Final conclusion is you don't have to spend too much money on better seed or something else. Maybe just you have a flat land, put just regular seed starter kit and put some manure or something on it. That's all you have to do, and your grass will be grow fast. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.